Alright, hey, today we're going to be taking a look at these Wsky S2000 flashlights. The folks at Wsky were nice enough to send this out to me to do a review for you guys. So let's take a look at it here. It is a 2-pack. This is on the budget end, so keep that in mind. It's a pretty good, decent price for a 2-pack of LED flashlights. Let's look at the box here. Super bright. I didn't see a lumens rating on Amazon. Maybe it was there, maybe it's not. I don't know. Maybe I missed it. 5 modes, zoomable design, waterproof. I didn't see IP rating either, so keep that in mind. Shock resistant, AAA batteries. Batteries aren't included. You can also use an 18650 battery. So this is pretty much what it looks like when you get it, for the most part. I've been playing around with the second one. Does come with the AAA battery cradle. I do have an 18650 battery in here. Batteries aren't included. And you use a spacer to use the 18650 battery. Slide it in there. It's pretty nicely machined. We got a nice O-ring right there. And we have a pocket-friendly belt clip that is removable if you would like. Here is the lens. It is a bubble plastic lens. These zoomable flashlights tend to have these curved bubble lenses that are plastic. There is the LED chip right there. So there's high mode. It does have a slight blue tint to it. It's not the whitest light ever, but to be expected. Medium mode, you do see it flicker there, but that's only on camera. It's not in real life. It's just the frame rate of the camera. There's low. Same thing goes with the frame rate. Strobe. And SOS mode. Back to high. And it does have a memory, so it will stay on the last setting that you left it at for the most part. Okay, and I almost forgot to show you the zoomable feature. So you could zoom it in and out like so. Very good. And I'll put links down below for you guys to check this out. Okay, you know I couldn't let them get away without doing the moistness test. AKA the water test. So it's not IP rated like I said, but let's see what happens here. I have to say I am a little nervous.
Test your might.
So far so good. Agitate it a little bit. Splish, splash. I was taking a bath. La 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 la. Alright, so pretty good. It definitely will handle a rainstorm for sure. Moistness test approved.
Outstanding.
Cece, you want some? Wild man Cece. Ow. Woof, woof. Hey.